Namaste. In this Vidyamrutam video, we shall learn about Pramanas. Pramanas refer to the valid means or sources of knowledge that help establish the truth. In Advaita Vedanta, the non-dualistic school of Hindu philosophy, primarily associated with Adi Shankaracharya, 6 Pramanas are accepted. They are drawn from the Mīmānsa tradition but adapted to its framework. These are used to discern reality, particularly in distinguishing the ultimate non-dual Brahman from the illusory world or Maya. Here is a list of 6 Pramanas accepted in Advaita philosophy, along with the brief explanations. Pratyakṣa or perception. Direct sensory experience or observation through the senses. It is considered valid when free from illusions or defects. Anumāna or inference. Logical deductions based on observed patterns, such as inferring fire from smoke. Wherever there is smoke, there is fire, like we see in the kitchen. So when we see smoke on the mountain, we can infer that there is fire on the mountain. Upamana or analogy. Knowledge gained by comparing something unknown to something known, like identifying a wild animal based on its similarity to a described one. Śabda or verbal testimony. Reliable words or scriptures, especially the Vedas and the other authoritative texts. In Advaita, this is crucial for understanding non-dual reality beyond sensory limits. Arthapatti or postulation. Assuming something to resolve an apparent contradiction, such as presuming someone has eaten elsewhere if they claim to be full without having eaten at home. Anupalabdhi or non-apprehension. Knowledge of absence, like knowing something is not present because it is not perceived under conditions where it should be. Example of no elephant being in a room. These Pramanas are hierarchical in Advaita, with Śabda, especially the Vedic revelation, holding primacy for ultimate truths, while the others aid in empirical understanding. Note that not all Vedanta schools accept exactly these 6 Pramanas. For instance, Dvaita Vedanta accepts only 3, Pratyakṣa, Anumāna and Śabda. Vishishtadvaita Vedanta, the school expounded by Ramanuja Acharya, accepts only 3 independent Pramanas. The 3 Pramanas accepted in Vishishtadvaita are Pratyakṣa, direct cognition through the senses or internal perception. It includes both ordinary sensory perception and yogic or divine perception. Vishishtadvaita gives realistic interpretations. Perception reveals real objects as they are with attributes. Anumāna, inference. Logical inference based on invariable concomitance. It is fully accepted for both worldly and spiritual purposes. Example, inferring the existence of God from the order of the universe. Śabda, verbal testimony. The most important Pramana in Vishishtadvaita, especially the Vedas, the Upanishads, Brahma Sutras, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Puranas, where they agree with the Shruti, and the Tamil Divya Prabandham of the Āழ்vārs. Śabda is considered infallible and the ultimate authority for knowing Brahman, the nature of the soul, and the path of bhakti. Ramanuja Acharya and his followers explicitly reject the need for the other 3 that Advaita accepts, Upamana, Arthapatti and Anupalabdhi, arguing that they can all be reduced or to be subsumed under the 3 primary ones. Why only 3? Upamana reduced to Pratyakṣa and Anumāna. Arthapatti treated as a form of Anumāna. Anupalabdhi reduced to Pratyakṣa. You can directly perceive the absence under proper conditions. This 3 Pramana framework is consistently maintained in the major works of the tradition. Ramanuja Sri Bhashya, commentary on the Brahma Sutras, Vedanta Desika's Tattva Mukta Kalapa and others. So to summarize clearly, Pramanas accepted in Advaita Vedanta 6, Pratyakṣa, Anumāna, Upamana, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi and Śabda. Vishishtadvaita 3, Pratyakṣa, Anumāna and Śabda only. Dvaita 3, the same as Vishishtadvaita. Dhanyavadaha.